Dr. Prasanna and myself, we got acquainted with each other in the year 2022 when I was preparing for my FICO exam, and his mentorship has been very rewarding. And even during this MIGS fellowship experience, there was lots of learning from him. His mentoring is selfless. Completing my MIGS fellowship journey has been a transformative experience in whole. My sincere thanks to Dr. Prasanna and his entire team for accommodating me at such short notice. The curriculum was very diverse, starting from enhancing or honing my direct gonioscopy skills. Sir was very patient to teach me and help me master the direct gonioscopy using different gonio lenses. The curriculum included learning suture gat, eye stent insertion, KDB, bang, as well as endocyclophotocoagulation. Also, we had the metaverse training program which was included in this curriculum, and that was completely new experience for me. So when I came to this fellowship program, I had never before independently performed any of these procedures, but at the end of the curriculum, I felt that I was more confident in my skills and prepared to start doing these procedures in my practice independently. I have to thank the entire team for their support and guidance throughout this fellowship, right from the point of enrollment and during the course as well, whether it was in the OT, the planning of the cases, as well as the post OT sessions, which included video assisted skill transfer and the metaverse training and healthy discussions. It was very useful to me. I highly recommend this MIGS fellowship training course to all glaucomatologists as well as other ophthalmologists who wish to enhance their skills and their expertise.